Hi, my name is Chris Carapresso. I'm with Neal Communities, and today we're going to tour the Endless Summer 4. The Endless Summer 4 is 2,207 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, flex room, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. As we walk into this gorgeous home, this open floor plan, you're going to see a dining room and going to the great room. You're definitely going to notice the 10-foot coffer ceilings. It's going to make this room feel very grand. People love the connectivity of this home, from the sliding glass doors leading to the outside, to the breakfast nook, and to the gourmet kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. This is where entertainment begins and memories are made. You're going to have the ability to personalize your kitchen. This kitchen island has quartz countertops and a front apron sink, commonly known as the farmhouse sink. This kitchen also shows 42-inch upper cabinets, pot drawers, a cooktop surface, which Neal Communities is known for offering natural gas appliances. Along with the natural gas cooktop, we also showcase the hood range and a double wall oven. Another great feature of this home is the flex room. We staged this study as a TV room, but could it also be used as a toy room, an office if you work out of your home, or a gym. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle. You could either add a pool, outdoor kitchen, or extend the lanai. The master bedroom is awesome. It is very bright, has many windows. It can accommodate a king-size bed and 2 large nightstands. It is even large enough to have a sitting area. Directly off the master are 2 large walk-in closets. The double door entry into the master bath makes this very unique. Here you will find a large walk-in shower, fixed window, and double sinks. The additional 2 bedrooms would be perfect for either children or guests. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Endless Summer